Meaning of goalkeeper.
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 Goalkeeper. A goalkeeper is a player in sports such as football or hockey who is responsible for defending their team's goalpost and preventing the opposing team from scoring. The job of a goalkeeper is to use their hands, feet, or any other part of their body within the rules to keep the ball out of their own goal. They play a crucial role in the team's defense and can often make the difference between winning and losing a match. Without a goalkeeper, a team would be much more susceptible to conceding goals and would find it difficult to compete at the highest level.